Respected director, principal sirs, teachers, parents, and my dear brothers and sisters, a very pleasant morning to one and all. I am Sangvi from 5th standard. Today I am going to express about minister. Our Vice President Jagadish Dhankar, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, our Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, our Home Minister Amit Shah, our Foreign Minister Dr. Jaishankar, our Law Minister Kiran Reddy, our Health Minister Manchukla Mandali, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, our Energy Minister Rajkumar Singh, our Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan.